The Ford Bronco and the hardtop situation, well, that's been a nightmare. And as you can see, I have the factory hardtop on the old Bronco Raptor back behind me. And there's been companies out there trying to make them, but it seems like they don't actually make them. They just sort of take your money and, well, is what it is. But there's good companies out there like Rally Tops, who is actually making hardtops for the Ford Bronco. And they sent us one. I said, Rally Tops, I just bought a brand new Bronco Raptor. I don't need one, but I know somebody here that does. So we're going to remove their soft top. We're going to put the Rally Top on there. And I'm curious what you guys think about this thing, because, you know, there's a lot of different companies out there making promises. And, well, as you can see here, Rally Top came through. And I got to unpackage this thing and put it on that Bronco like yesterday. So let's do this right now. Rally Tops actually ships hard tops. Believe it or not, they're a company. This is what they do. They build hard tops, and they very nice shipping. Look at all nice 2x4 construction on this. Very well done. I poked a little hole in there so we could see something. Can you see it? I don't know. You'll see it here in a minute. But I have to say, hey, the shipping was 100% very nice, and they dropped it off at my doorstep and rolled it up here, and you can see it's time to unpackage this thing. So we've got to put it on there. So first step, getting all rid of that plastic. It may or may not have rained since this has been delivered. Now you can see here, nice sound deadening all the way around this thing. So that's pretty cool. Shipping looks pretty good. I gotta unscrew all this so I can pull this thing out. But so far, other than the water that was sitting up here, looks so far so good. This is not gonna be a step-by-step. I've still gotta pull that top off that thing. I'll show a few steps of it, but I'm not gonna go into detail because, well, keyboard warriors love to tell you use the wrong size Phillips screwdriver and all that stuff. But we need to, next up, get this apart, get that apart to put this on there. Got it on the ground, and, well, I had to bring in the big guns because when you do smart things, you got to bring in the intelligence. So next up, I guess we're gonna have to. We haven't done this in a while, Kelly. We have not taken a soft top off our Bronco in a bit.
Well, we've not taken it completely off either. So we have definitely taken it back, but not in a minute. But we really have never taken that thing all the way off.
So how do we do this again?
I don't know. I guess we gotta figure it out.
So these 3 screws have to come out. We already got one out, and we'll go ahead and work on the next ones. And there's 3 on this side, 3 on this side, and that's all that holds the soft top in. So that's pretty nice, really, considering there's a lot to this. But we'll end up taking those brackets up there off, and that's really about, I think, the only prep we have to do. Fingers crossed. Top is off, pretty easy. 2 brackets up on top you remove, and that's pretty much it, I believe. Don't hold me to that. But next up, we got to get the top out of the crate over there. We'll slide it up there and start making our adjustments. Pretty simple. You can see these wood right here. They were anchors. They were actually where you're going to attach the top to the Bronco. They had some pins in there, but overall, top looks great. So nice fiberglass from what I can tell so far. I like the fact that it's not completely factory looking. You can see it right here, and we have the top here. Of course, the factory top is a 3-piece top, where this is going to be a 2-piece, and it's a solid front piece that attaches as well. So you don't kind of have that split freedom top. But I think if you're taking your top off, you're going to leave it at home anyways. So there's no need to have all the extra, places to actually have wind noise. So I think it's going to make this actually a lot quieter than the factory tops are. And overall, Kelly, it wasn't very heavy, was it?
No, it actually wasn't. I was quite surprised by it. Just awkward.
Yeah, it's awkward getting this out of there. But yeah, even the kiddo said she had to help out with this, which she's not very happy about. So next up, putting it on the truck. All right, Kelly, it was a pretty good job. Takes a couple hours really to do.
Yeah.
You're gonna make some adjustments. We have the top on. I'm probably still gonna adjust it tomorrow. I want the sun to hit it and kind of warm the top up a little bit. See if that helps make some adjustments.
See if it moves a little bit.
But let's look at this thing. All right, as you can see, look at that. Nice sound deadening all the way through. Looks good. Clamps here, attach it. It is a one-piece top here. So, you know, it doesn't have the Freedom style two-piece top, which I think honestly is going to make it even better on road. I think it's going to be a lot quieter. You do reuse your factory mounts up here, which is nice. They keep that factory look. Overall though, looks like a home run to me. So there is your rally top, and I have to say the thing looks pretty good. The finish they put on it looks pretty nice, nice and rugged looking. Back of it looks great. They've definitely made changes. I talked to them about they used to put an aluminum cage around this thing, and I said it just didn't look great. They listened, and I think it looks great now. Ultimately, this thing will take a little bit, dedicate a good half a day to it, just because you're gonna make some adjustments, and I want the top to set, and tomorrow kind of get warmed up a little bit because it's been kind of shaded. And I want to see if it makes a difference, and slight adjustments I want to make to it just to see if we can make it look even better than it does now. But Rally Top is rallying on this Wild Track, and I want to say thank you to Rally Tops for sending this product over and allowing us to review it. They sent this no charge. They wanted their product name to be out there, and I don't need a hard top, and this young lady that her Wild Track back behind us did need a hard top, and she's going to be very happy to get that. So in the comments below, let me know what you think of this thing. Do you need a hard top? Are you aggravated by some of the companies that either take your money and don't make the tops, or just seem to have like a endless wait time to get one? Rally Tops can get you. They ship this one, and I think they build it, and a week later it ships. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about this thing. So whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or this hard top, this young lady's going to get for her nice ride. This has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd. We're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.